Good morning, Cloverdale. Hello, it's Mr. Dyer. Hey, quick video here. Just want to say I missed you guys a lot. I have been gone I was gone on Monday, I was gone on Tuesday, and actually for those, you guys wouldn't know, but I was also gone on Sunday. And just like you guys, I always want to keep on learning. And so I was actually in Bend, Oregon, which is kind of in central Oregon, kind of like right in the middle. And I was there with other principals around the state of Oregon, and we were just talking about and learning about how we can make our schools better and how do we improve our practice. And so just like how you guys are learning how to become better students, how you're learning just how to become young adults as you guys are getting older, I for one, was doing the exact same thing. And so it was really good. I definitely missed everybody, but I'm glad I'm back. With that being said, I wanted to talk about, in just a little bit, you guys are going to have an assembly today. At the assembly today, we are going to be recognizing students, a student of the month. We're going to be talking about some other things kind of happening at our school. And I just want to kind of take the time to talk about assembly behavior. So one thing is when we're at an assembly, I want to make sure that you guys remember, a lot of times at this monthly meeting, we have parents coming in. And so that means special guest equals, everybody should be saying special behavior. So if I say special guest, you guys say special behavior. And that's just where we're just being a little bit more aware of our surroundings and being a little bit more aware of how we are acting. And because we have people kind of watching us. And a lot of times, this is the one time parents really get to see how we behave as a school. So I want to make sure that you guys are doing the right thing. So one thing is make sure that you guys are sitting down. So that means bottoms on the ground. We're not up on our knees. We're not standing up. We're not getting up and down. We're just going to be sitting on our bottoms, and we're going to be looking at whoever is speaking at that time. Also, the other thing is we're not talking to our buddies. We're not saying, talking about what happened at recess or what we're going to have for lunch. Or we're not going to be talking about how awesome Miss Shelley is in the office or how awesome that last lesson was in Mrs. Walling's class or Mrs. Ishey's class. Hey, we are going to be focused on the assembly at hand or what's kind of going on. And so, again, we're not talking to each other. And also, we're just not goofing off. This is my expectation. So if a teacher or I, myself, or a staff member sees you goofing off, we're going to do, first the thing that we're going to do, we're going to give you eye contact. And we're going to kind of give you the look. So if I'm going to be over here and I see you, I'm going to go like this. And I just might kind of give you a look. And so that's kind of the look that we might give. The second thing that we would do, oh, and by the way, if you see the look, you should know it. You should really get familiar with that look because it's a really nonverbal way for a teacher, your parent, or a staff member to tell you that, hey, you're not acting the way you should be looking. So look for the look, okay? So it's like, don't do that, okay? The next thing is the teacher will probably do something like this. They will point at you and go, shh. They will point at you and go, point. That's number 2. That's your second warning. And then after that, the teacher the next time will go here. And if you still are not improving, they're going to point at you and they're going to say, here. Point, here. And then you will have to come and sit next to them. If that happens, I'm just going to make a blanket statement right now. You will miss some of your recess time on the wall. And so that you have to sit on the wall going out to recess. So, and then that will also signal, because I will be out at recess today, and if I see you on the wall, I will know that you were goofing off during the assembly. And I will have a conversation with you about that. And I don't think you want to have that conversation with me. So again, if you're goofing off, you get the look. You might get the, maybe not quite that look, but you get the look. Then you get a finger, and then here. And then finally it would be here too. And if you get the finger to come over here, then you're going to be on the wall during recess time. All right? Hey, and by the way, I'm not expecting this to be a problem, to be quite honest. You guys have been doing awesome at assemblies, and I'm expecting that to happen. So, guys, get after it. Remember, it's not luck, it's hard work, and I'll see you guys in a few. Bye.